Did you know search engine marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow your small business? Hi everyone, Stuart here. Welcome to this video. Today I want to answer the questions of what is search engine marketing, what is the difference between search engine optimization and search engine marketing, and how can search engine marketing help my small business grow? Now let me know in the comments below if you've ever been involved in search engine marketing before. I'm curious to know. Alright, so before we jump into it, and if you're interested in sales, marketing and digital solutions for small business, then smash that subscription button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Alright, with that being said, let's dive straight into it. Okay, so what is search engine marketing? Well, search engine marketing, or SEM, is the process of driving relevant traffic to specific website pages. Now, people use search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo to pay for ads. Now, the most common ad platform in search engine marketing is Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords. If you jump onto Google and type in essentially anything, the first results that appear at the top of the page are Google Ads. If you click on one of these ads, then the advertiser using Google Ads will be charged. They are paying to be found on Google. That's search engine marketing. The amount of each ad cost depends on the industry. Each cost per click can vary from under $1 through to over $100 per click for highly competitive industries. Now you might be wondering, what is the difference between search engine marketing and search engine optimization? Well, simply put, search engine marketing, SEM, produces instant results as you're paying to be found on search engines like Google. Now you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. On the other hand, we have search engine optimization, SEO, and this takes time to produce results. SEO is about optimizing your website so that it ranks high on search engines like Google. Now, unlike SEM, search engine marketing, the process of SEO takes time and money. There are over 200 factors that need to be considered when optimizing your website for search engines like Google. As you can see, the top results are paid ads, and below that are organic results. Now, paid ads are part of search engine marketing, and the organic results are part of search engine optimization. Now, you're probably wondering how search engine marketing can help your small business grow. Well, search engine marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow your small business. The reasons being, with search engine marketing, you can target people at the very end of the buying cycle. People are looking on search engines like Google, ready to buy. They're looking for solutions. Now, with search engine marketing, what you can do is you can essentially put that solution right under their noses. Now, if you're looking for some information on how to create an effective search engine marketing campaign, I'll pop up a link in the top right corner of a video tutorial on how to create a search engine marketing campaign. Now, two powerful attributes of search engine marketing. These include audience targeting, where you can actually target people searching for specific keywords or phrases, while also defining your audience right down to specific demographics and behavior. The second powerful attribute of search engine marketing is you only pay when a customer or someone takes an action on your ads. For example, you will only pay if someone clicks on your ad through to your website, or if someone clicks on your ad and calls through to your business. Therefore, search engine marketing can be very profitable for small businesses if it's done correctly. And there you have it. You now know what search engine marketing is, the difference between search engine marketing and search engine optimization, and how search engine marketing can help your small business grow. Okay, so if you got value from this video, guys, please smash that subscription button, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.